Hello and welcome to today's guide, where I'll show you how to quickly create a Facebook account. So, let's dive right in. First, open your Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're on the app, tap on Create New Account. Then tap on Get Started. A form will appear asking for your details. Start by entering your first name and last name. Make sure to use your real name, as using a false name may prevent you from creating the account. Once you've typed your name, tap Next. In the next step, select your birthday. Then, continue to the next step and choose your gender. Now, you'll have two options: sign up using your mobile number or your email. In this process, I'll go with the email option. Enter your email and tap Next. Next, you'll be asked to create a password. Ensure that your password is strong by using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. After creating your password, proceed to the next step and accept Facebook's terms and policies. Facebook will then send a verification code to the email or phone number you provided. Enter that code in the verification box and tap Confirm. Once confirmed, your Facebook account will be created. You can then add a profile picture and customize other settings as desired. And that's it! Your Facebook account is now successfully created, and you can start connecting with friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials.